So here we are back with another video for No Winning. So what we're doing this time is I bought this part 4-ish years ago and never put it on. So now we have the perfect opportunity. So what we're installing is, I'm sure you got it from the description, but this line right here, if you've ever worked on these Subarus, this year of Subaru, you know that this line is probably the most frustrating thing in the history of the world. It causes issues with the turbo in it, it causes issues with any of the hoses that go around it, it causes issues with whatever the heck this evap stuff is at. So what this is supposed to be is, you can see that this is very fixed, it's kind of rigid, right? And this is a stainless steel braided line, so it should make installing parts a lot easier. I bought it because the last time it frustrated the crap out of me. There might be a video, I think we did a video, right, for how frustrating that bolt was because we were trying to put it on while the turbo in it was on. Yeah, so here we are with it. I'm gonna crack it open. And here is the line, just one line. So my assumption is it's gonna go something like this, facing down, and then out to the back over there, which should be safer than the one we're running now. Here's some fittings here, some crush washers, and that's it. So we'll probably set up the camera because I think it's a two-man job.
Is it?
I don't know. So we'll set up the camera and then, you know, get situated right here.
Okay, go.
All right, so we're gonna take off this little, I guess, bracket here. It doesn't look like it's, look, it's actually...
Is it welded on there?
No, it's not welded on there. So I'm gonna take it off. Should make it a little bit easier. I have to like zip tie it later. I don't know if we're gonna be able to put that stainless steel braided line.
What size is it?
That was a 10mm. Okay, so it's pretty filthy nasty here. Okay, so here's the 10mm. Put it here. Here's that little bracket. The top piece will clean the crap out of it, of course, before.
Oh, of course.
It's actually connected to this
Welded
other
together?
line. Yeah, it's actually welded on this other line, but we're taking off this line here. This one that's reaches up to here, comes up here.
What's it welded on?
It's welded onto the, not the one that we're replacing. This is the one we're replacing.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to disconnect this one right here. I don't know if you can see where I'm pointing.
Right there.
It's a little bit easier, obviously, because there's no downpipe, there's no turbo here. So this is the one we're gonna be replacing on the outside, just right here. So we're gonna take that off on the next little clip here. Ready? What you doing?
Trying to crack this bolt. What you want me to crack?
Oh yeah?
Ready? See it? Somewhere in there. Yeah, right there. Oh, press one. Okay, look, okay, right there. Oh. Damn.
Remember, it's been 20 years that this thing has ever been taken off.
Oh, it's bending.
Is it?
Yeah.
On what side? The top or the bottom?
Probably gonna take it the...
Should I have left the bracket on? Does it not make a difference? You want me to go hold it from the bottom so it doesn't bend?
I can't get my other hand in there now.
Here, I'm gonna move it out of the way so you can get your other hand in there.
No, like it's gonna crack.
Okay, Senor, what are you doing down there?
Fighting for my life.
Apparently, we all are.
You're over 30, don't do it.
Yeah. I don't care what nobody tells you. You can't, it's impossible, don't do it.
So the bottom one is the one that moves. Just
Okay.
so you know. Oh no, it's coming out.
It's coming out? What am I loosening in the bottom one?
Yeah.
Oh, is it off already or not off?
Almost.
Pull up and out. Okay, that's probably where I'm gonna have to take this one off now again.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oi. You found it?
I can't really see it. Or get closer.
Let me see. Is that right? Is it flush on the ceiling?
Oh, damn.
Perfect.
Wow. What the heck is it right now? No, it's not. There we go. I feel like I had tightened it way more than that.
Surprise, surprise.
It's literally being held on by like 2 or 3 threads. Okay, so, oh, that's it. Come on, come right up.
Okay.
So I guess I'm gonna let it drip there because I have a little pan,
Oh.
right? I'm gonna let it drip a little bit more. Yeah, it's dripping. So it was the bottom one that was.
Yeah, you can move.
You can move with a 14 on the bottom and a 17 on the top. The other videos didn't show the struggle, and we didn't show the struggle either.
But you will.
You will struggle. It's a guarantee. I don't care what anybody tells you. All right. After countless hours of struggling, if anybody tells you this is a 30-minute install, it's more like a 30-hour install, unless you spray that thing down there and have 4 hands.
I think spraying it helped.
Yeah, I think it did too. So we're gonna break this one here. This is the line we're replacing. Because as you can tell, there's no flex there, so
It's always annoying. Oh yeah. Dang.
okay. That seems a little sketch, not gonna lie.
It was like super tight last time.
Yeah.
Badger bolt.
Just because this one got loosened up, that's what it was. We're trying to break this one loose.
Ooh.
That's what it was. So we'll hold that there. This is the banjo, but we're not reusing this, right? We're using
Yeah.
Let me figure out what size this is so I can retighten that in there.
Okay.
All right. So this came loose too, this piece here. Actually, we did a video on this one last time. And I know some people ask me about what part number it is. I don't even know what part number it is anymore, but
Get rid of it, number.
yeah, get rid of it, get this line. Should make things a little bit easier. And if it comes out, I don't know how many more threads it has. There's a little O-ring, looks good. All right, so once we figured it out, it looks like we're gonna put the crush washer here on the shorter side. According to Abram's stats, it looks like we need this like cone area up on the top. So figured that this was an 18 millimeter, and we're just gonna mount it right here. Oh, sorry. Okay. Like I said, I figured it was an 18 millimeter, so I'm gonna tighten it here. I don't know how tight.
Don't go too tight, just that's good.
Okay. There we go. So now I'm gonna pull this dirty old line, and then we'll route the new line and go from there. Put my gardening gloves on. Handy dandy. Okay, let's see how the heck we get it out of here now.
You can't.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Oh no.
That's the one that I don't even know what it was.
Was back on somewhere.
Yeah, I don't even know.
That's funny. You thought.
You thought we had it done.
Gee, Wallace.
Can't catch a break, guys. Can't catch a break.
Right back.
We'll be right back after these commercials. After these. Alright, we eliminated the struggle. Took off this with a flathead. Now try to separate it so I can get this thing out of here. And then separate here. Come out there. Oh. Slowly but surely.
Make sure it drips everywhere.
Make sure you get it on your freshly poured concrete if you have freshly poured concrete. And
that's it.
That's it, doggy.
Only 30 years.
20. Who's counting?
Ready?
We need to get the mamalona down there, right?
Yep, 19.
Okay, 19. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but we're gonna do this. Okay, ready? I can't reach.
You can do it, son. Is it? Can't really see.
Yeah, I got it already. Okay, it's on there, but we just gotta tighten it.
Okay.
All right, what are you doing down there?
I'm ready to tighten up the shit.
See, it's right here. I'm pointing it with the tool, right?
Where?
There, right there. That's it, right there.
Okay. Safety first.
So we did not put on the extra little
IAG O-ring.
the IAG O-ring because the old O-ring doesn't seem like it's gonna come off.
Okay.
Are you on? Let me see if I can get this to just stay while I help you on the other side.
Try it.
Okay, let me see. Okay, which time I'm going to tighten it this time?
Crazy tight.
I know. I'm just trying to get it now. Okay.
Okay, go.
Sorry.
How's it feel?
It's good. It's getting tight.
Don't go too crazy. Okay, that's good. I think.
Hold on, let me fix just a little spot right here. Ready? There.
Okay, and the next one?
Now we need the hose, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Straight side down. Okay, you feel it?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, now hand me the 19. I have to hold it.
Running with an 18.
Okay. I'm holding the 19. Don't go too crazy. Felt pretty good.
Felt pretty good?
Yeah.
Ready?
Don't go crazy.
I can't because it's already twisting over here, so.
It's what?
It's twisting over here.
Oh.
Give it to me and I'll do it, then you just hold it. Give it to me. Right there. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Don't go too crazy.
I can't really because it's...
That
There.
feels good.
That's good?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, last piece of the puzzle. This piece right here. Oh my god, freaking flies and mosquitoes and...
Are you going?
What's going on? What do you think?
Yeah.
Should I turn it a little bit more? Okay, right there. What do you think? Out of the way.
There's definitely a lot of slack. For sure.
Okay, now we gotta tighten it. Oh. Okay, a little snug.
Yeah.
Ready? A little bit more. Look, so you can see.
Where is it?
Higher. Let it go. Let it go. Right there. Go. Push it.
I think that's it. That's a good play.
That's good. All right. So we made it this far without getting totally lost or bored, or if you haven't gotten this frustrated yet. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we can finish the rest of this project soon. I estimate 5 to 6 more years, but who knows what that is in YouTube time. But again, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Help us out. We're almost at 1,000. I think we need maybe a few more weeks, months to get there, and we'll be maybe making money and doing more of this stuff. So thanks for watching. Until next time.